Welcome. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to share a story from your Instagram highlights. Whether you want to showcase a memorable moment or share an important update, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile and highlights. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look just below your bio. Here, you'll find your story highlights. These are collections of stories that you've saved for others to view long after they've disappeared from the main feed. Scroll through to find the specific highlight that contains the story you want to share. After locating the desired highlight, click on it to open it up. You'll see all the stories included in that highlight. To share a particular story, tap on More, which is usually represented by 3 dots or an ellipsis at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, you'll see an option to share. Click on this, and Instagram will present you with various sharing options. You can choose to share it directly to your story, send it as a message to friends, or even share it on other platforms if you prefer. Finally, select where you want to share it and hit send or share. Your story is now shared with your selected audience. And there you have it. Sharing a story from your highlights is that simple. It's a great way to keep your followers engaged and showcase the moments that matter most to you. Remember, highlights are a powerful tool for expressing yourself on Instagram, so don't hesitate to use them creatively. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.